Welcome to Almaty! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Almaty International Airport from Bangkok. And we're just going to get our luggage and go to our hotel. Upon arrival, our first order of business was to get cash. You can convert your cash through the foreign exchange kiosks at the airport, or you can also use the ATMs. If your card has 6 digits PIN code, then use Freedom Bank at the airport. And we'll just do a transfer to the hotel. Ayan. So since we're a group, meron na kaming bus. Papunta na kami ng hotel. We're staying at Ozen Palace Hotel. We booked our flights and hotel, but for the land arrangement, we decided to book Join Me tours for convenience. So this is our hotel, Ozen Palace Hotel. Tonight, twin room. Good morning! It's our first day here in Almaty, Kazakhstan for our 5-day firm trip. So for day 1, we will be going to the mountain resort, and then in the afternoon we will also be going on a city tour. We booked a group tour, a private group tour, since we're 23 in the group. And then tomorrow we will be visiting the lakes. So let's go. So guys, so this is the view outside our hotel. So look, mountain view with snow capped. Then this is our hotel. Normally, the tour would start at around 9 a.m., but since we arrived late at the hotel at around 2 a.m., we started the tour at around 10 a.m., so that's already late.
Of 28 Panfilo Guardsmen with the cathedral, which is also located on the territory of the park, and also Green Bazaar Raha Chocolate store where you can already do some shopping, to buy some souvenirs or some candies if you want, and so on. Location here. So in the beginning, actually, it was not a city, but just a military fortification uh, for the protection of the land and so on. But
If you're traveling to Kazakhstan as an individual or maybe a couple, it may be challenging for you because um, the public transportation is not similar to, for say, example, other countries like Korea or Japan with wide network of public transportation option like trains, buses. Here, the main public transportation option is by using the buses. They have a subway, but it's not commonly used because there are only 10 stations. For tourists, you can use ride-hailing apps for like Yandex, InDrive, and another app. Um, they don't have Grab or Uber, so better to download the apps before coming here. But for Yandex, you need to have a local SIM card. Before our first destination, there's a quick gas and bathroom break. So let's check what is inside a convenience store here in Almaty, Kazakhstan. They have a good mix of Western and Kazakh local products. So that was a quick stop at the gas station and convenience store before moving on with our trip to the Oikaragay mountain resort or ski resort. So during winter, of course, there's snow, so it's a ski resort. But for the rest of the year, it's a mountain resort, so you can still visit even if it's not winter. By the way, the city is pronounced as Almaty according to our guide because it's from Kazakh word for apple.
call it in our Kazakh language, yeah. Oekaragay, it's a ski resort. So right now, actually, of course, it's not winter. That's why we don't have any snow, any ski resort there.
Okay, so andito na kami sa Uy Karagay Mountain Resort. We will be taking the cable car to the viewpoint. Pero dito pa lang sa may parking lot, ang ganda na. It's a start of springtime, so you can see snow-capped mountains. And then there are also some, I don't know if it's sakura, basta flowery trees. Okay, so paakit na kami ng ski resort.
Wow, wow, I see the mountain. May snow.
Wow! Everything that... So this is the view at the viewing deck of Oy Karagay Ski Resort. Meron pa namang snow pero pawala na siya. Okay, so we're going to walk to the, I don't know, rock garden, suspension bridge, I think. But it's 45 minutes.
Reality, hindi ako makababa dyan.
The view was wonderful and the weather was perfect for our first day in Almaty. But honestly, we weren't prepared for a short hike. We were expecting that the mountain resort will just be a viewing deck and then we will go on with our city tour. This tour reminds me so much of our happy farm trip in New Zealand in 2018 when we also unexpectedly hiked to a viewing point of Mount Cook. So 30 to 40 minutes of walking from the station ng cable car to the suspension bridge. Pero syempre kami kasi, dami naming picture time. So baka mga 1 hour yun sa amin. Oikaraga is located just about 40 minutes from the city of Almaty, and it is nestled deep within the picturesque Il Alatao National Park and surrounded by the majestic Tian Shan mountain range. We visited in the first week of spring, but throughout the year, the resort transforms with the seasons. In winter, the slopes become a paradise for skiers and snowboarders. During spring and summer, the mountains burst into life. Hiking trails lead through green valleys and wildflower covered hillsides. Okay, so di ba ang saya namin during the after nung cable car station kasi may viewing deck doon. Tapos ngayon, pinapunta kami sa hanging bridge. Feeling ko maganda naman yung view doon. Pero yun, so 30 to 40 minutes of walking, depende sa experience mo. For us, siguro mga up to 1 hour. At nakakapagod siya, guys. So, bring water. Malayo pa. Di ko pa nakikita yung bridge. 1 kilometer pa lang pa daw from where I am now. Oh, suspension bridge. 15 minutes. According to our guide, this ski resort is new. It only opened in 2025. Finally, guys, we're here. Everything that I've prayed, praise the Lord. So this is what we came for.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we're crossing the hanging bridge and then maikot lang naman kami to go back. Hi, Anna.
Hello.
Maganda yung view niya, oh. Parang nasi-frame niya yung mount. Okay.
Yay, nakatawid ako. Di dapat online dito. Kasi na kompleto. Sorry. Narinig ko si
Okay, so that's it. Ito yung hanging bridge. And then we're going back na dun sa may parking. Mag-cable car ulit. Same way. Yan. Malapit na kami.
almost there.
Ano ba yung level nito? Simple. Ano daw to? Simple pa to. Sa amin, moderate to ano na.
Makabalik.
Okay, we're going back. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the Oy Karagay Mountain Resort, which is also a ski resort during winter. It's new. Kaka-open lang nung 2025. So you can visit this if you are in Almaty. So since this is new, they're still constructing the cabins. Yan, ang ganda ng view niya pag natapos na. Because this is the view. Okay, so we're back at the cable car station. We have to go down. And then doon na kami mag-lunch sa city. So time to go back to the city. So this is the restaurant. We will be having our late lunch. Kasi 3 p.m. na. We'll be having a late lunch kasi 3 p.m. na here in Navat Restaurant. So, okay guys, so hindi pala to sa head. Para sa food daw to. So hindi pwedeng i-ano. Hindi ko na na-videoan kasi gutom na kami. Pero masarap naman yung mga bagay. So this is beef. This is burrata yan.
Sarap yan.
4:46 na. Nakatapos na namin mag-late lunch. So ngayon, dalawa na lang yung pupuntahan namin. Pinili namin yung Green Bazaar.
You can find any stop in front of the Green Bazaar. There will be outside points like open air outside. Most of the souvenirs are outside. You can find a lot of different type of them. And then when you will go inside already, there will be fruit, dry fruits, nuts, some other thing, and so on. So you can also try it.
Okay, so we're now here at the Green Bazaar. We'll be shopping for souvenirs. We're supposed to visit other places, but it's already 5 p.m. We just finished our lunch. So we just chose to go to Green Bazaar because it's closed on Monday. And then to the Rajat Chocolate Store. Okay, so this is the Green Bazaar. So you can Bye. Inside the Green Bazaar, you can find different spices, fruits, and produce. And then outside the bazaar, you can buy souvenirs. Don't be shy to haggle at the Green Bazaar, as the initial prices are already set for tourists. In fact, it is recommended that you go around first and check the different shops before buying. They sell macadamia with shells, so I bought this. I also bake, and macadamia is one of my favorite nuts, so I bought this for 3,500 tenge for 500 grams. But in another day, I was able to get the same 500 grams of macadamia for only 2,000 tenge in another shop. So this is the chocolate store in partnership with Lotte. So malapit lang to dun sa Green Bazaar. Hey guys, we're back at the hotel. Sobrang nakakapagod. Pero dun pala sa sa Green Bazaar, mag-ingat kayo kasi may mga in-overprice sila. Like yung kasama namin, magkaibang store, same product. Sobrang mahal nung charge nung isang store. And then pag kino-compute nila, kailangan i-double check nyo kasi kung minsan i-compute nila pero ang laki. Pero pag kinompute niyo, hindi naman pala ganun yung total. So be careful na lang. Thanks for watching the first part of my Kazakhstan travel series. Tune in as in the next episodes, we will be going on a 2-day tour outside Almaty. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to share this video.